and games to play. From jungle deep to farm and zoo, they've got some silly moves to do. So clap your hands and shout hooray! Let's join the Animal Parade today. Animal Parade today. More! A cheerful, bouncy rhythm. The Ellen Bolam Fomp stomp, 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 waves his trunk and goes trump, trump, trump. Big and gray and full of cheer, he leads the parade with a happy cheer. Dear the frog, he jumps boing, 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 croaks a tune and starts to sing. Ribbit, ribbit, all the way, he hops along in a fun ballet. The lion roars, roar, 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 he's the king from lands afar. Golden mane and mighty paws, marches proud with loud applause. Knew the penguin waddle side to side with tiny steps and so much pride. In his suit of black and white, he flaps his wings in pure delight. The giraffe is tall and oh so grand, with long legs walking through the land. Spots of brown and eyes so sweet, she dances gently on her feet. The turtle's slow but full of grace, with a little smile upon her face. Step by step she joins the line in this Animal Parade.